each and every one of y'all.
Sunny.
You know,
Bright and sunny out there.
A lot of heart.
And we're riding bikes.
Let y'all know I love y'all.
We pulled the bikes out. Get our ride on. Look at it. See, we doing bike ride today.
No matter how big this thing gets, no matter how much money we end up making.
Bike riding in the country.
Make it hard to spot the general by working like a soldier.
Look at my daughter. She got on her country boots. Her boots to the, cause you know we got all this land and it's muddy and.
Man, that sun is out.
But
storm.
I don't think. I think it passed us the storm. You said it was the quiet before the storm. It looked like it's dark on that side, but it's on this side it's light. Yeah, cause still storming light. Look at that skin glistening.
Are you serious, yo?
I'm gonna cook up something today, you guys. See, look at them braids. Them braids are slayed.
It's a kickstand.
I did that. Yes, I did that. See it?
Yo, don't hit them trucks.
Just gotta get these eyebrows. Do something about these eyebrows. Bench. My husband built today. No nails, no nothing. Just a simple DIY. Cool, right?
I know it's hot, but you don't need to use my fan.
Pretty cool.
You're a dog.
Alright, y'all. I'm doing a little cooking outside. I got a new pan, as you can see. The name is Bella. That's the company that makes this pan. Outside cooking. Why not? Look at that chicken. Look at that thing going. It's still going. Look at it. Alright, chickens are almost done. Now I'm gonna add some PF Chang's. I bought this from the grocery store. Beef and broccoli. And I'll let you guys see the end results. Alright, y'all, it's all done. Look at that. Look, y'all, I told y'all I was not playing. Look at it. With some bright white rice on the side. You know I'm a geechee. Y'all, this video has come to an end. It was just a little short clip of me outside today while cooking and relaxing. That's it. And I will have the video of me actually eating the meal in the next video. But anywho, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see ya.